Hello, I'm Nick Baker. Let me introduce you to my Ladybird World. What could be more popular in the insect world than a ladybird? Well, what do you really know about them? How many of you knew that ladybirds have a life cycle almost exactly the same as a butterfly or moth? You have the eggs, you have the larvae, you have the pupa and the adult beetle. And you can watch all this in your very own Ladybird World. And to help you do so, this kit comes with a variety of study utensils. We've got tweezers and we've got the ubiquitous paintbrush, which is really handy for scooping up and persuading ladybirds to climb into your collecting pot. That's the best thing. You can go scurrying off around the garden in the countryside looking for ladybirds with that. And then there's a hand lens, one of our interplay hand loops. And that's pretty much all that you need for hours and hours of informative fun.